Hey guys, my name is Polly and welcome to my channel. And as I promised, today I am doing a video about my facial massage using Gua Sha quartz stone. I prefer this material because it allows you to work out different skin areas quite deeply but at the same time delicately. But first, a little background on how my face was changing during the time. When I was a teenager, my face most of the times looked very swollen and wrinkled. That's why my facial features seemed even more asymmetrical than they actually were. You can totally see the difference if you play my old videos and then get back to the new ones, because now I truly look younger. Well, I think so. So back then I wasn't happy with how I looked like, and that's why I started experimenting with different massage techniques. And years later, thanks to pretty balanced diet, regular facial exercises and generally healthy lifestyle, I have this, which is way better than it used to be. So my main point is that my path included a complex of different efforts, not only Gua Sha. And since the topic came up, I think it's worth mentioning that I have never done any plastic surgeries or any other beauty upgrades, so I'm 100% natural. It is just important to understand that massage will not change the structure and the shape of your bones and will not magically define everything you want to define. So it takes time and effort. Any massage is primarily aimed at relaxing the nerves, relieving muscle tension, and stimulating your blood flow. But let's not underestimate the power of face fitness, because it will help to drive away all the unwanted moisture and make your face look younger and healthier. Massage will work perfectly for those of you who work a lot at the computer, because you don't even notice how much pressure your muscles are under during the day. So they will definitely say thank you after just a 5-minute workout with Gua Sha stone. So let me just list the basic rules of this beauty procedure. First of all, Gua Sha massage is performed after a complete several-stage cleansing of your face. The main point of this technique is to stroke the face following certain facial lines with pressure. All you need to repeat this kind of massage is a Gua Sha stone, obviously, and a facial oil. You can use whatever kind of it which you prefer. If you're set up, then let's get started. But first, leave your like below and click the subscribe button. I will be very pleased. That's me in the morning after partying the whole night, not gonna lie. So my face is craving a little warm up. But according to the main principle of the Gua Sha technique, we have to move from the bottom to the top. So I'm starting with my neck. Rub some oil in your palms and distribute it along the entire length of your neck to help the stone slide in on the skin. Using the dimple of the stone, work out the back of your neck on both sides about 8 times each, moving upwards. Then I'm working out the front muscle, also both the left and the right side. The pressure has to be tangible but comfortable, so don't push the stone too hard. And now we're finally moving to the most important part of this video. Add enough oil on your face and spread it with patting movements. Now we're gonna need the long side of the stone. Lean it on the center of your chin and start sliding the stone up. Tighten it slightly, so the tilt angle would be 45 degrees. Now repeat the same set of movements a bit higher on the cheekbones, holding the stone with its short ending up. Another area of interest is nasolabial folds, which also require our attention. Use the long side of the stone to massage them, pushing it up to the temples. Chin is a bit hard to work on, so you're gonna need to press the stone and try not to go sideways. Now you have to be careful as well, since the skin around the eyes is very vulnerable. Push less hard and don't move too quickly, just slide gently enjoying the upcoming relief. Our last stop, forehead. This one is super easy. Scrape the center, then the sides, as well from the bottom to the top. And let's finish our session by working on between brows area. Go obliquely to the left, then to the right, using small part of the stone. And that's basically it. Spend from 5 to 10 minutes twice a week and enjoy the result. Relaxed muscles and beautiful natural glow of your skin. Speaking of long-time perspective, the massage will help to define beautiful edges of your face oval. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to watch more videos like this, then push the subscribe button and see you next time.